Welcome to today's instructional video on how to reduce the rational expression to lowest terms in this problem. We will be working with the expression 9 x caret 2 to 1 divided by 3 x1. Stay tuned as we walk through the step-by-step solution to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by factoring the numerator. 9x squared minus 1. Notice that this is a difference of squares, which can be factored as 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 1. The expression becomes 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 1 over 3x minus 1. Step 2. Observe that the factor 3x minus 1 appears both in the numerator and the denominator of our expression. 3x minus 1 times 3x plus 1 over 3x minus 1 simplifies by cancelling out the common factor 3x minus 1. The simplified result is now 3x plus 1. This is the final step. The expression is now reduced to its lowest terms, which is 3x plus 1.